Have you ever been in a moment where you wanted to speak English, but your mind just went blank? You knew the words. You understood everything the other person said. But when it was your turn to speak, nothing came out. You froze. You got nervous. You started overthinking. What if I say it wrong? What if they laugh at my accent? What if I make a mistake? You're not alone. Millions of people feel exactly like you. They study English for years. They know grammar, vocabulary, even slang. But when it comes to real conversation, they struggle to speak. And you know what? It's not because they're bad at English. It's not because they're lazy. It's simply because no one taught them how to practice speaking the right way. Here's the truth. Speaking English is not about being perfect. It's about being confident. It's not about using big words. It's about using simple words, clearly, naturally, and without fear. You don't need to wait until you feel ready. You don't need to be afraid of your mistakes. You just need a method, a step-by-step way to build confidence and fluency. One small practice at a time, and that's exactly what I'll give you today. In this video, I'm going to share 7 easy steps that you can start using right now. You'll learn how to speak English every day, naturally, without pressure and without fear. If you follow these steps, you will speak better English. Not someday, today. So, are you ready to speak? Let's begin. So, let's be honest. Speaking English feels hard for many people, not because the language is too difficult, but because they don't know where to start. Most learners study grammar, memorize vocabulary, listen to English videos, but still feel stuck when it comes to speaking. Why? Because speaking is a skill. And just like learning to swim or ride a bike, you can't just read about it. You need to practice it the right way. That's exactly why I made this video. Today, I'm going to walk you through 7 simple and powerful steps that will help you speak English with more confidence, clarity, and comfort, even if you're just starting your journey. These steps are easy. You don't need to buy anything. You don't need to join any course. And you don't need to move to another country. All you need is the will to practice, just a few minutes a day, and you'll see real results. Here's my promise to you. If you follow the steps in this video and apply them honestly, you'll start speaking more naturally. You'll stop hesitating. You'll stop translating in your head, and you'll begin to enjoy speaking English instead of fearing it. Whether you're preparing for an interview, a trip, an exam, or you just want to finally speak the way you've always dreamed of, these 7 steps will give you the roadmap. It doesn't matter if you're a beginner, intermediate, or someone who understands English but can't speak well yet. This video is for you. And it's not just a tutorial. It's a practice session. I'll show you each step, and you'll do it with me, right here, in real time. By the end of this video, you will know how to build your speaking habit. Practice English daily without needing a partner. Gain confidence, even if you make mistakes. Learn how to sound more natural in real conversations. So if you've been waiting for the right time, if you've been saying, "I'll practice tomorrow," let this be the day you finally start. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be willing. Are you ready to take the first real step toward fluency? Let's do this, together. Now it's time for action. Let's go through 7 simple steps that will help you speak English every day. without pressure, without stress, and without needing a partner. Let's begin. Step 1. Warm up. Just like stretching before exercise, warming up your mouth and voice is important. Start your day with tongue twisters or simple sentences like, "She sells seashells by the seashore." "I am learning English every day." Repeat them slowly, then faster. This helps your tongue move smoothly and your brain gets ready for English. Step 2. Daily phrases. Learn and practice real phrases you can use in daily life. Things like, "Can I help you?" "How was your day?" "I'll be there in 5 minutes." Repeat these 5-10 times daily. Say them out loud, not in your head. You can even write your own list of phrases you use every day in your native language. Then learn the English version. Step 3. Mirror talk. This is one of the most powerful habits. Stand in front of a mirror and talk to yourself in English. Describe your day, your plans, or how you feel. For example, "I woke up at 7 a.m. I feel a little tired, but I'm excited to learn. Today, I want to practice English for 10 minutes. This builds confidence, helps you stop being shy, and lets you practice body language and expression too. Step 4. Shadowing. Shadowing means copying native speakers word for word. Pick a short video, podcast, or movie line. Play it, then repeat it exactly as they say it. Same tone, same speed, same feeling. You'll learn pronunciation, rhythm, and real-life English naturally. Start with just 10-15 seconds of audio. Practice it again and again. Don't worry about understanding every word. Focus on sounding natural. Step 5. Q&A practice. Ask yourself questions and answer them out loud. Example: "What do you do?" "I work at a shop." "What's your favorite food?" "I love pizza and biryani." Write 10 common questions and practice answering them every day. Soon, you'll stop translating and start thinking in English. Step 6. Real-life simulation. Pretend you're in a real conversation, like shopping or traveling. Say things like, "Excuse me, how much is this shirt?" "I'd like a ticket to London, please." "Where is the nearest ATM?" You can even act out job interviews, meetings, or phone calls. Use imagination. It works like real practice. Step 7. Record yourself. Use your phone. Record your voice while speaking English. Then listen to yourself. Check your pronunciation, speed, confidence. You'll notice mistakes and improve them next time. Also, this helps you track your progress. One day you'll look back and say, "Wow, I've really improved." You don't have to do all 7 steps every day. Even 2 or 3 steps for 10 minutes can change your fluency. The key is, do it daily. Speak daily. Practice daily. Let's move to the next part. Common mistakes you must avoid. Now let's talk about something very important. The things that secretly stop you from speaking English well. Many learners don't fail because of a lack of talent. They fail because they fall into these common traps. So let's break them down and make sure you don't repeat them. Mistake 1. Waiting for perfect English. Here's the truth. There is no such thing as perfect English. Even native speakers make grammar mistakes. They forget words. They change sentences halfway through. They say, and restart their thoughts, just like you. If you keep thinking, I'll speak when my English is better, I'll start when I stop making mistakes, that day may never come. Perfection is the enemy of progress. Fluent English is not perfect. It's confident, natural, and practiced. So stop waiting. Start speaking now. You'll learn faster by doing, not by overthinking. Mistake 2. Translating from your native language. One of the biggest blocks to fluency is thinking in your first language, then trying to translate every word into English. It feels slow. It makes sentences sound strange, and it creates confusion because English and your language don't follow the same rules. For example, in some languages you say, I to market go, but in English it's, I go to the market. If you translate word by word, the grammar gets broken. The solution? Start thinking in simple English sentences every day. Instead of thinking, Main pani pina chata hoon, say, I want to drink water. Train your brain to think directly in English, even with simple ideas. It takes time, yes, but it works, and it will change everything. Mistake 3. Fear of mistakes or accent. Many learners stay silent because they're afraid. Afraid of sounding wrong, afraid someone will laugh, afraid their accent is bad. But let me tell you something powerful. Your accent is part of your story. It shows where you come from. It shows you're brave enough to speak a second language. Don't be ashamed of your voice. Don't try to hide it. Instead, focus on clear speaking and good communication. People don't care if your English isn't perfect. They care if they understand you. And mistakes? Mistakes are your teachers. Every time you make one, you learn something new. In fact, if you're not making mistakes, you're probably not trying hard enough. Speak with pride. Speak with confidence. You are doing something amazing, and your voice matters. Bonus tip: don't compare yourself to others. This is a sneaky mistake that many learners make. You see someone speaking fluently and think, I'll never be like that. But remember, you don't know their journey. They may have practiced for years. They may have failed many times before getting it right. Your journey is your own. Focus on your growth. One word, one sentence, one conversation at a time. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to translate. You don't need to hide your voice. You just need to speak. Every day, even for a few minutes. You'll make progress. You'll feel proud. And soon, you'll be fluent. Now that you know what not to do, it's time to stay motivated and keep going. Let's move to the next part, where I'll give you a powerful message to keep you inspired. Let me tell you something straight from the heart. If you've watched this video until now, it means one thing. You care about your future. You want to improve. You want to grow. And that is powerful. You may feel like your English is not good enough yet. You may feel shy. You may be afraid to speak. But listen closely. Every single word you speak in English brings you one step closer to fluency. Don't stop. Don't wait for the right time. Don't wait for perfect grammar. And please, don't wait for confidence to magically appear. Confidence comes from action. It comes from trying, failing, fixing, and trying again. It comes from speaking, even when your voice shakes. You don't have to be the best. You just have to be brave. So many people around the world dream of speaking English, but only a few take real steps to practice. You're one of those few. You've already started. You've already made progress today. And you don't need to speak for hours. You don't need to study all night. You just need to show up every day, even for 5 minutes. That's how real fluency is built. Imagine this. 6 months from now, you're speaking freely with a stranger. No hesitation, no fear. You're smiling, laughing, and enjoying every word. That version of you is not far away. It's already inside you, just waiting to grow. So don't give up, even if people around you don't believe in you, even if you've failed before, even if it feels slow. Keep going, because you are getting better every single time you speak. You are not bad at English. You are not too late. You are not too old, too shy, or too slow. You are a learner. And learners become speakers, and speakers become confident, and confidence opens every door. You can travel. You can meet people. You can study, work, and dream in English. It's all possible, but only if you keep moving forward. So here's my final message to you today. Don't wait. Don't fear. Don't give up. Speak today. Practice today. Believe today. You've already taken the first step. Now take the second, and I'll be here to help you every step of the way. This is your time, your voice, your journey. Let's keep going together. Now it's your turn. You've listened. You've learned. You've taken the first step toward speaking with confidence. But remember, watching videos won't make you fluent. Speaking will. So here's your challenge, and I want you to actually do it right now. Speak 3 full sentences about your day, out loud, right now. Don't wait. Just speak. You can start with something simple, like, I woke up at 7 a.m. today. I made some tea and watched this video. Now I feel more confident to speak English. Say it out loud. Don't worry if it's not perfect. Don't pause. Just speak. And here's the next part of the challenge. Write those 3 sentences in the comments below. I want to read them. I'll reply to as many as I can to support you. Because this isn't just a video. It's a community. It's a place for real learners like you to speak, grow, and help each other. So go ahead. Take that tiny, powerful action. Don't be afraid. Don't be shy. If you can type 3 sentences in the comments, you're already speaking. Now imagine doing that every day. How far could you go? If this video helped you even a little, if you spoke even 1 sentence today, if you feel just 1% more confident than you did before, then don't stop here. Like this video, it helps more people find this message. Subscribe so you never miss a new practice session. Turn on notifications. I post simple daily speaking tips just for learners like you. And most importantly, join me again tomorrow for another speaking challenge. Every day, just 5-10 minutes. That's how you build fluency. One small step at a time. You've got this. I believe in you. Let's grow together, day by day, sentence by sentence. See you in the next video.